After knowing the concept of slope, let me help you with a one word. This has been made by me, SWA. S for speed, V for velocity, and A for acceleration. Why the term SWA? These three are easily found by the slope. These three are easily found by the slope. For example, firstly, we will go for speed. We know the formula of speed is distance upon time. We know the speed is distance upon just a minute please. Now we know the speed is distance upon time. It means I need a graph here of distance with time. If this side is distance increasing and this side it is with the time, means in the beginning when time is 0, distance is also 0. When time is 1, distance is also 1, means this is the point. Somehow this is the graph, exactly straight line, means as the time increasing, distance is also increasing. Now if somebody has been saying this is O point and this is A point, if somebody has been saying find the speed for this OA distance and for this, actually this path it covered, speed on this path, I've just done. Speed can be found by slope, and if you remember my words, slope is given by tan theta, and tan theta is equals to perpendicular upon base. So for making perpendicular and base, I have to make 90 degree over here. Yes bacho. For example, here the time was 0 and here the time is like 4, like this was 1, this is 2, this is 3 and this is 4 seconds, and here the distance was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or let it be 6, means up to this the distance traveled is 6. Now this is 90 degree, this is my angle theta. Now I want to find out slope, because I know slope will give me speed. Yes bache. So I'll be writing speed is equals to slope of distance time graph. Yes bacho. So slope will provide speed. Now we know slope is equals to perpendicular upon base. It means speed is equals to, now what is the perpendicular here? This one, AB. This is perpendicular. So let me write here. Perpendicular is AB upon, what is base? OB. Let it be OB. Sorry. Let it be OB. Now I know AB is equals to this distance, that is 6. So let me write here 6, and OB is equals to this, that is 4. So 2 3s are, 2 2s are, it means 1.5 meter per second is the speed.